Hello, great minds and great people. I take this opportunity to welcome all of you to this 5 days Photoshop training. This training is absolutely free. Absolutely free. So please, I take this opportunity to say a very big welcome, and please stay tuned. And in this tutorial, or in these 5 days, we are going to learn a lot. I'm going to take you through the introduction to Photoshop, which is the Photoshop interface. I'm going to take you through how to design flyer and posters, and also some design tips. So if you consider this training very useful, I would like you to please invite your friends to come to this platform. Invite them to also take great opportunity into this, and God will richly bless you. So stay tuned as I take you through. Thank you.